LKAB is a mining company founded in 1890 and it employs 4,200 persons. We have the deepest mine in the world producing iron ore. We have to be cost effective in everything we do because our competitors are doing open pit mining, which is much cheaper than going as deep as we go in the mountain. And the way of doing that is by always being on top of the newest technology. Today, everything is running on Nutanix. Our economic systems, our mission critical systems, our exchange servers, all the workloads, everything. And that's been a real big benefit because of how Nutanix scales. When you scale with Nutanix, you don't introduce new bottlenecks, so performance has only gone up. And overall, we have a much better underlying structure. Every night we do blasting in the mine. There is a safety system in place that's running on Nutanix. If the safety system would fail, we couldn't do the blast in the mine. It means a whole 24 hours of production, which is really costly. And we haven't had any downtime that has made the mine not be able to blast since we introduced Nutanix. It pays for itself. Management is a lot easier in Nutanix because it's one pane of glass. In the old system you had to look at one view of the storage, one view of the network and one view of the hypervisor. Here we have one view where we can do everything. The whole administration of everything in Nutanix is much simpler. We have gone from 4 data center technicians running storage and backups down to 1 person. That's a good benefit in cost savings. In the previous system we had maintenance windows 12 hours long 4 times a year, and with Nutanix we have 0 maintenance windows with downtime. We don't have to come in on the weekend and do upgrades. We can do it during regular working hours. If we try to run without Nutanix today, it will give us a world of hurt. We couldn't scale at the level we want to. We couldn't migrate to the cloud. Our technician staff had to be doubled maybe. They have been providing everything we need since 2012. They are a market leader now. They are driving the market and we want to be on that train.